Hi, and welcome to the Nexo Plus series tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to set up and operate a Plus series loudspeaker system comprised of one P8 with its companion sub L15, powered by an NX amp Mark II. You will need one L15, one 35mm pole stand with M20 connector, and one P8. Plus series loudspeakers provide variable high-frequency directivity options which let you optimize the dispersion for your application in just a few steps. By default, P8 uses a 100 by 100 degrees magnetic horn that can be changed by fitting an optional rotatable 110 degrees by 60 degrees horn. Before assembling the system, you have to check the directivity device option and orientation of your loudspeaker. Place the cabinet down on the ground or any flat surface. Unlock the 2 quarter-turn screws with the help of a small screwdriver. Then remove the grille. Remove the horn and replace it with the new one. The magnet will keep it in place. If necessary, rotate it according to your loudspeaker configuration, horizontal or vertical. To ensure correct rotation for your application, the dispersion angles are clearly marked on the outside edge of the insert. Finally, replace the grille by ensuring it's well positioned in the top blade and lock it with the quarter-turn screws. Once the directivity device is set, the system can be mounted on a pole stand by using one of the 2 holes available on both sides of the speaker. The speakers are equipped with 2 Speakon NL4 connectors with parallel wired pins. P8 uses the +2, -2 pins. L15 uses the +1, -1 pins. Nexo speakers must be used with a Nexo processor to perform at their best efficiency and safety. L15 is set on channel 1 and will be routed to output A on +1, -1 pins. P8 is set on channel 2 and will be routed to output A on +2, -2 pins. Finally, both signals feed one single NL4 connector on output A, so it's easy to connect the NX amp to the sub with one NL4 cable and connect the sub to the main speaker with a short NL4 link cable. Now let's see how to make those connections in practice. First, make sure you have an NL4 cable and connect it to the output A of the NX amp. Connect this cable to one of the Speakon connectors of the subwoofer. Connect your second short link NL4 cable from the other Speakon connector up to the Speakon connector of the main loudspeaker. 3 locations for connecting are possible, one at the back and one per side. Your system is now properly cabled. It's time to operate your NX amp with the correct preset. Power on the NX amp with a long press on the rotary encoder. Once the boot up is completed, the default setting menu will appear. Now, press the bottom part of the display to access the presets menu. This menu allows you to select either a speaker preset for each selected channel or a 4-channel speaker preset arrangement provided by Nexo. Pressing the Nexo button will display standard speaker setups like L15 and P8. Turn the encoder until you find a preset that fits your application. Then press Recall. The default screen is now displayed. You can review your settings by pressing the up arrow on the top left of the screen. Individual channel settings are now displayed, allowing a quick check of the configuration. With P8, you may have to adjust the preset according to its directivity option. To do that, press the corresponding channel. Select the cabinet settings. Choose your current horn and its application mode. And finally, its crossover frequency. Your custom preset is now ready to be recalled. The next step is to check your input patch. If your current input patch doesn't suit your configuration, select your channel and modify its patch accordingly. Once the operation is completed, it's easy to check both input patch and output patch with NL4 pin allocation. Finally, press the down arrow to access volume settings. Select your channel and rotate the encoder to increase the volume. If you need more details, you can download the user manual from the Nexo website. Thanks for watching and see you soon.